Good afternoon there, solar YouTube followers. Kilo D with an update. Interesting. I got on the top of my panel there a 90 watt Sopre panel. Plugged it into that little power jack inverter and I got 70 watts out of it. Then I plugged that 90 watt panel into the 90 watts of Harbor Freight. I got 166 watts. Right now I've got those two upright panels plugged in for a total of 270 watts going in, and I'm only getting 170 watts going out of the inverter. So it seems the more power I add, the least efficient it becomes. Right now I'm losing 100 watts, so pretty strange. I'll update again as I keep playing. Just for now.